The device you see in this picture is generating enough power to improve mileage in this 2008 Mercury Mariner from 15.5 miles per gallon to 19.5 miles per gallon. That's almost a 30% increase. Here's how it's done. This is a Fuel Genie system. It installs in about 30 minutes with these 5 simple steps. We fasten the reservoir tightly to a component inside the engine compartment, making sure that it's nice and secure. That's step number 1. It takes about 10 minutes. Next, we locate the PCV valve and attach the T, included in the kit, to the reservoir hose going to the reservoir, which is this one right here. Now we take the hose, connect it to the Fuel Genie system itself, and we're ready to hook up the power. Next, we attach the ground wire to the battery terminal and the positive wire to the battery terminal. This takes about 4 minutes. Now we connect the connecting wires to the power cable. Make sure they're snug, and we're ready to go. Add water, start your engine, Fuel Genie is ready to go. Notice how the revolutions in the engine begin to slow down once the hydrogen begins to take effect. Did you hear that? That's the sound of hydrogen in your engine. Visit our website, www.fuelgeniesystems.com, for a free quote or to find out the location of a distributor near you.